Welcome to the Academy for Christian Thought. We have here with us Professor Max Stackhouse, and on iPhone, Professor Andre Ong from Bethel Seminary. Andre, you have a question for Professor Stackhouse on preemptive strikes in just war theories?
Yes, Reinhold Niebuhr retrieved and updated what we call the just war theory, early advocate of it. So what do you think he would say to the doctrine of preemption today?
I don't know today. He changed his views a little bit during the time. He did retrieve the doctrine of just war, which comes from St. Augustine and from some motifs in the Bible. And the idea is that sometimes coercive violence is necessary. It's justifiable to use force, the means of war, under certain circumstances. And not all circumstances, because if you talk about just war theory, you have to talk about unjust war. And he thought that we could discern in some degree the difference between just and unjust war. And you can discern also about the means that are used in those wars. Preemptive strike is the anticipatory use of a military means when there's no overt threat of attack by a wicked enemy against an innocent neighbor. I think he would be against it. I think he would suggest that preemptive war is not valid, though he might fudge a little bit, because he did think that the building of nuclear weapons, but not the use of them, would have been necessary against the Soviet threat of nuclear weapons. So I think, if I remember correctly, he argued in favor of the MAD philosophy, mutual assured destruction. Some people call it the MAD doctrine, mutually assured destruction. If when the Soviets and the United States were in the Cold War, the balance of power kept us each from firing on the other, and it probably saved civilization.
Great. Thank you very much, Professor Stackhouse. I want to ask one question.